In this video, we will look at how to use date fields in selections. In this example, we want to find calls created between specific dates. Click Where and go to Date Time of Creation under Card Data. In the drop-down menu, you can see what options you have: a specific date, before a date, after a date, or between two dates. In this case, we want to see all calls created in November, so click on Between and select 1st of November to 2nd of November. Note, you can also use the relative options to see calls relative to the current moment in time, say a certain number of hours ago. Apply the absolute value to your selection and use it. You'll see all calls created from 1st of November to 2nd of November.